Hello and welcome to another update video about XLM. So XLM has also reacted here to the latest micro support region, but we haven't yet another breakout to the upside. This move up is obviously very extended. We'll zoom out a little bit. The idea is that this chart is very similar to the XRP chart overall, and I see the current move up as a possible third wave, which could then see a correction in a fourth wave. Just have to double check with regards to the support area. Yeah, it's still unchanged. Just want to zoom in a little bit because we can move that here a little bit to the left. But pretty much in line with what many other crypto charts are doing, we have an extended third wave to the upside here, which might still be unfolding actually, and could then get another 4-5 pattern, either in a corrective rally in wave 2, which has become less likely, or actually a larger third wave, which is pretty much also what XRP is doing, because the green line is the invalidation point for the white count. I don't believe the white count anymore, unless it really turns to the downside from the, let's say 80-81 cent level. But because the chart suggests another 4-5 pattern is likely, not guaranteed, and if we get a 4-5, then it will likely break above that level. So it's likely the larger third wave. We talked about that in one of the last videos, where I also talked about the long-term chart. In this video, though, I want to talk about the short-term only. I covered the long-term chart in some of the videos in the last few days. Important is to understand that when we look at the smaller time frame, in the last update, I shared with you that there is a micro support area between 38.4 cents and 43.3 cents. And as long as it's holding, I could see the potential for one more high here, even in this wave 5. Oops, 1 second. And resistance is obviously this 80 cent mark. And it's already very extended, so I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks. But as long as it's holding, I'm looking for higher. And I put on here a possible microstructure. Maybe this wave 5 is unfolding as an ending diagonal, because this wave 1 looks a bit like a 3-wave move. Then we have 2. This isn't really getting strong upside momentum yet. So there's much more work to do to get this wave 5 completed. Alternatively, wave 4 might also stretch sideways as a triangle pattern. But I think important is to understand, as long as we don't get a sustained break below that 38.4 cent level, we can watch for higher prices in the short term. I mean, ideally, even that last swing low is holding at 41.5 cents, yeah, to keep the micro count alive. But any break below 38.4 cents will mean that most likely here circle 4 is unfolding, which would mean a larger correction, which is the same wave degree as this wave 2 that happened between the top in wave 1 in August and the early September low. So it's like a 4-week correction. That was wave 4 could also then take possibly 4 weeks or so. It might not be deep, so it might only reach the 23.6 retracement, because we need to have, you know, right proportions. The wave 2 at the time also wasn't very deep, so the wave 4 might also, as I said, be rather shallow, maybe just a sideways correction. That means bottom line is we're very much extended to the upside. Next key resistance at 80 cents. But actually, there's another Fibonacci level just below at 70 cents. Pay attention to these. I can see the potential for one more high in circle wave 3, but because of the extended nature of the move to the upside, that is simply here based on the microstructures, and their interpretations on the 1-hour chart or so can be wrong. Either way, once we get a deeper pullback, that could be another opportunity for those who are looking for another entry, maybe in a pullback trade. And then support will be between 39.6 cents and 23.3 cents, with additional support at 29.5 cents. But please note that this support area is still a moving support. So should the price push higher, for example, form one more high, then also this support area will have to be adjusted, because this Fibonacci retracement support area for a fourth wave will be calculated based on the length of the third wave. So that's the update about XLM. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.